Want to automate your business and drive growth? In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up your GoHighLevel account and configuring essential settings for success. Let's get started. First, let's create your GoHighLevel account. Head over to GoHighLevel.com and click on the Free Trial button. Fill in your business details and payment information, then proceed. Once you've successfully set up your account, you're good to go. Now, let's configure the basic settings. Click on the Settings tab in the left sidebar. You can customize your account by entering your business name, logo, and contact details here. This information will be used in your automated communications, ensuring accuracy and professionalism. Next, let's connect your communication channels. In the Settings section, navigate to Integrations. You can link your email, SMS, and social media accounts here. This will allow GoHighLevel to manage all your communications in one place, saving you time and effort. To create an email campaign, go to the Marketing tab, hover over Email, and select Campaigns. If you prefer to send email campaigns using automation, choose Templates and create a new template by clicking the New button. Then, select the type of email campaign. In this case, I'll use the plain text editor. Enter a name for your template, then add your email content, including any custom values, and click Save Template. Now, let's create your first automation workflow. Go to the Automation tab and click on Create Workflow. You can either build it from scratch or choose one of the pre-built templates. For example, I'll create a welcome email for new clients by selecting the appropriate trigger and actions based on my needs. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to customize the workflow to suit your business. And that's it. Are you ready to transform your business? Start your 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a smooth onboarding experience. Check the video description for all the helpful links. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.